Let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 2 GA question number 5. In this sequence 6, 9, 14, x, 30, 41, a possible value of x is and 4 options are given. We have a sequence. First we need to find the pattern in which way the sequence is constructed, then we can easily find the x value. Now 6, 9. What is the difference between 6, 9? It's 3. 9, 14. 9, 14 difference is 5. Now 30, 41. Difference is 11. So 3, 5. Then here difference is 11. So 3, 5. Then difference can be 7. Then 9. Okay. This is the odd sequence. So between first two number difference is 3, then between second two number difference is 5, then between 14 and x difference will be 7. So 14 plus 7 it is 21. Next 21 plus 9 is 30. 30 plus 11 is 41. So x value will be 21. 14 plus 7 will be 21. Then 21 plus 9 is 30. So here in this sequence, difference is the sequence of odd number starting from 3. This question is easy, just you need to find the pattern, then you can easily solve this question. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.